Hello, Booster Base here. Today we'll be opening more Rivals of Ixalan. To be exact, we'll be opening up 10 packs. I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 packs. To see if we can pull some amazing things like anything really. There's so many good cards in here still. I know this set goes out in September, but we shall see what we can pull. It's a few days away from the new Core 2020 set coming out, so let's get started. Make sure you comment below what your favorite card is. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support the channel, you become a patron. The patron link is in the description below. If you also want to support a pack opening channel, just email me the packs you want me to open, and we can make a deal. We can see what we could do. Alright, we're going to skip through the commons and uncommons. We did a video of Ixalan already, so let's just get to the rares. First off, Rekindling Phoenix. Really? This is like an $8 card right now. $8. We mythic. First pull mythic. Nice. Then we got a hollow Blazing Hope. Very nice. Dude, that land looks amazing. Okay, we got the mountain, and then we got Sprawling as the token. First pack we open, mythic. Oh yes. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Next we got a Frantic Firebrand. I use this in my standard deck right now, which standard won't be standard in 3 months. 2 or 3 months from when I made this video. Very nice. Evolving Wilds. Yep. Boom! A Protein Raider. Very nice. Dude, the lands in this set are amazing. I like them. Very nice. Swamp. Then we got a City Blessing as the token. Next pack. The next pack. This is the 30% mark of the video. 30%. Our token is a swamp. A treasure, I mean. Forest. Okay. So last card should be another Firebrand. Should be the rare. And the rare is Nazahole Primal Tide. Once again, not in the top 10 list of price-wise. But then we also got a foil Canal Monitor. Very nice. 2 out of 3 packs. Got 2 foils already. Not bad at all. Not bad. 3rd pack. Well, I can't believe we got the Rekindling Phoenix. That really excites me. But it also scares me, because then what am I going to pull in the next few sets? Next packs. Uncommon rare is? What? Oh. What is this? Okay. So this is actually supposed to be like this. It's supposed to go like that. I don't know why that is like that. Okay, we got a Storm of the Vault. Very nice. One of those things. And a Morlack token. If you noticed my 419 video, I don't go through the rares because the time of video was over the 10-minute mark, so try not to read the cards if the video goes more than 10 minutes. You can pause the video on each rare if you'd like to read the rares. If you don't know what the rares are. So I've done videos on reading the cards. So the rare is Champion of the Dusk. Champion of the Dusk. Very nice. Halfway through the pack, a foil Gruesome Fate. The island is the mana. Land, I mean. And then City Blessing as the token. We are now at the halfway mark of the pack video opening. Let's get into it. Come on. We got some Rekilling Phoenix. Let's get like this Immortal Sun, or Primordial Calamity, or Wayward Sharptooth, Swordtooth. I mean, we pulled that before. Let's see if we can pull it again. This will probably be the last pack opening of Rivals of Ixalan you see on the channel, unless I go crazy and buy more. And the rare is C4 Oracle. Very nice. With a holographic shatter. The hollows are on point this set. Oh my goodness. An island and a treasure token. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Like I said, make sure you comment what your favorite pull of this video is. Comments below. If you want me to do more pack videos of the set that you're watching, then please comment more of this set. Let's get more, let's see more. And another way to ensure that is becoming a patron. 2, 3, and the rare is Thundershoot Dryad. Thunderroot, mountain, land, and a treasure as the token. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Two, 3, and the rare is Dire Fleet Daredevil. Dire Fleet Daredevil. I feel like that. Oh, this is, I know what this card is. This is like a $5-6 rare. Very nice. Second good pull of the packs. $5-6 rare compared to the $8 or $9 Rekindling Phoenix. Very nice. We got an island as the mana, and Golem as the token. That's 2 cards we pulled on the top 10 list of most valuable cards in the set right now. That's as of July, I think. As of July. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Two, 3, and the rare is a Mythic Twilight Prophet. Mythic Twilight Prophet. This is a $8 or $9 rare, I believe. That's the 3rd hit of these packs. So 3 out of 9 packs we've opened is very, really good. I'm liking it. Then we got Plains as the land, and a Sapling as the token. Very, very nice. Very nice. I could actually use that Vampire Cleric in a deck that I've been trying to build. Well, I got 3 months to build before it's out of print, out of standard, so I heard them build that set in deck. So we try it out in standard before it is done. Come on. Let's see what else we pull. This is the last pack of the opening, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Become a patron. Come on, you know you want to do it. I just threw the rare down here. Oops. Silver Clawed Ferradons. Very nice, very nice. Then we got City Blessing as the token, and the land is a mountain. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you know, this video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast.